Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Desi room aesthetic. Creating a beautiful Desi-inspired space is easier than you think. Start by embracing a rich color palette, perhaps with deep reds, oranges, or blues. Then, layer in textiles like embroidered cushions and patterned throws to add texture and warmth. Don't forget to consider lighting. Soft, ambient light truly enhances the cozy atmosphere. Next, let's talk about specific decor elements that make a big impact. Adorn your walls with beautiful tapestries or framed artwork featuring traditional motifs. Consider adding low-level seating with plush floor cushions and a low table for a relaxed, inviting feel. Finally, engage your senses with aromatic candles or incense sticks, filling your room with a delightful, authentic fragrance. To truly personalize your Desi aesthetic, incorporate items that hold special meaning to you, like cherished family photographs or souvenirs. Introduce some greenery with potted plants. They bring life and a touch of nature indoors. Also, consider adding metallic accents, such as a brass lamp or a decorative gold tray, to introduce a touch of elegance and sparkle to your space. Finally, let's refine the atmosphere. Layer your lighting with a mix of overhead, task, and accent lights to create a warm and inviting glow. Select natural fragrances like jasmine or sandalwood to complete the sensory experience. Remember, a truly aesthetic room appeals to all senses. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.